Hello everybody and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a La Pavoni Euro Piccola, bless you, that was sent in by Martin. Martin's complaint was that possibly the on-off switch wasn't working, the base was loose on the reservoir, and it needed a general tune-up. We performed the tune-up, there's no issue there, it's now performing admirably. The base has been tightened up, so it is also good, and as you can see the light just came back on down there. It has to do with when the temperature is correct for the machine. So the light goes off, light comes on. It's an indicator that the heating element is operating. So don't worry about that, Martin. Everything's fine. So we did not get a portafilter or a base, so we can't actually draw a shot on this machine. So I am just going to show you that said machine is pulling water as it is supposed to do. And we're going to have to let it go with that, I'm afraid. So anyway, if you like the videos that we're putting out, please give us a like, and if you do, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. In the meantime, we'll keep repairing these machines for y'all.